In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a nice, simple magnet ring that is functional. I don't think looks too bad. Let's get started. Take your neodymium magnet, place it right on the edge of the PVC pipe, and I like to put a little drill bit right underneath to help secure it without making anything permanent. Just if you need to, then pick up your marker, draw a nice little line right there behind the magnet. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should be close. And then you can just pull out your drill bit and the magnet will come with it. There you go. Now you want to just cut it. It's really about it with this clip, so it's going to speed up. Once you have your piece all cut off, it's probably going to be covered in these little white furry things. It's really just plastic, but whatever. Just try and clean it up as best you can with your fingers. We'll get to it better in another stage. Then you take it and you start rubbing it on a file. This is to further clean up the piece, get it a little nicer looking, add to the length of the video, all that good stuff. Now I'm flipping it. Now instead of sanding either of the sides, I'm sanding right on the curve to create a flat spot. This is very important. You want to get a very visible flat spot that's roughly the width of your magnet. That's where the magnet is going to go, in case you hadn't guessed that. There you go. It's a little bit hard to see, but it looks like that. Next, you take another file and you start to round down the edges. Remember, this is a ring, so you're going to want to make it nice and round on the edges. That way it's easier to get on and off, and it won't be too rough on your skin. Next, take it on the spot, get your neodymium magnet, stick it on the end of the drill bit, then you get out your super glue. Honestly, I think this is the most dangerous part, hacksaws aside. Put quite the generous amount on the magnet. The more the better, really, just don't get iron fingers. And you just go and you press it on the flat spot. You're going to want to hold it steady, although there is a little bit of movement. But after just enough to spread the glue around, hold it very steady until the entire thing is 100% stable. So, welcome to the part of the video where I recap things and mention things I should have said in the beginning. First off, you're going to want to choose a PVC pipe size that's just a little bit bigger than your finger, and then work it from there, particularly sanding the inside. Second, thank you to the music site that gave me the music for this video. I think it sounds pretty good. There'll be a link in the description because that's what they asked for. This is the ring I made for myself. Before I made this video, I thought I'd make a simple version for this video. It's a nice ring. I thought I'd make a slightly less nice version for the video. Just something you guys can see. I didn't really use PVC pipe for this ring, so I wasn't quite sure how to explain that. Regardless, thanks for watching. I plan on doing some other simple little videos in the future, so if you actually happen to watch this, you might as well subscribe. It's not going to be spamming your inbox. Like if you liked it. Heck, leave a thumbs down if you didn't, but tell me why in the comments so I can make my videos better. Thanks for watching.